So I've been to several AlphaStar camps as a student, and the experience has been nothing short amazing. I've made so many close friends at these camps and done so much interesting math, and at the end of the day, they're just incredibly enjoyable more than anything else. And it's this team of instructors and faculty members behind the scenes that make this all possible. And now as a TA of the winter camp, I get to be part of this amazing team.
In my opinion, I think the main benefit of enrolling in the winter camp is that you receive more individualized instruction that cannot easily be obtained by just doing the problems and reading the solution on the website.
Yeah, so when I was a student at AlphaStar, I really enjoyed how they would always come prepared to teach. All the instructors were very knowledgeable, very helpful, always wanted us to succeed. And my favorite part was just how they broke up all of the different topics in competition math into very, bite-sized chunks.